Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April. Now I did dig in, I've wiped down the box and I've gone a little bit further. I took everything out of the boxes that they come in. You know those boxes that like the serum comes in or the mascara comes in? Yep. And I've just thrown those out and I've wiped down the products that are inside. Yep. A new level of crazy, right? So anyway, let me share what's in my box. I already know since I did take everything out of their mini boxes, but I haven't read up on these items or seen the value of them yet, so we can do that together. I'm very excited. I always feel like I get my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bags late. What's today? Today's the 20th. I'm very impressed that I remembered that. So today's the 20th. I got this, I think, Saturday, but I let it sit until today. So let's dig in and see what's inside. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, staying healthy. Tell me what you're doing to keep yourself busy. I know a lot of us are still working and working from home and things like that, but what are you doing at night? What are you doing on the weekends and things like that? Let me know. Okay, so first, let's see. This is by Sunday Riley. This is the Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. It's valued at $25. Now, I didn't tell you, Ipsy, the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products. I have 6 to show you because I have an add-on. So, and you pick one. I don't remember which one I picked, but I want to say it was this because you can choose an item, and I think it was this. So it's a toner. Let's read about it. Perfect for all skin types and heaven for oilier I don't know why I can't say that word. Oilier complexions. This soothing Get to Water formula contains bentonite clay, green tea, and marshmallow extract to chill out redness, reduce excess oil, and tighten pores. That slight cooling effect, so refreshing. See, I love that cooling effect. I'm using an eye cream that we got in our last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it has that cooling effect, and I love it, and it's great for the warmer weather. Ooh, it's actually green. I wasn't expecting that. Ooh, it feels really nice. I wasn't expecting it to be green. It has a very subtle scent. Now, my friend Alex over at Life of a City Girl, she's so good at describing the scents of products and perfumes and lotions, and I'm not. But it's very subtle. It's very nice. I think I'm running out of toner, so I'm happy to have this. Okay, and I feel like this box is a good mix of skincare and makeup. All right, next this is by Ciate London. This is the Triple Shot XXL Mascara in black, and it's valued at $22. It says, on days and nights where you want your lashes to look larger than life, this jet black mascara will be your new BFF. A few coats of the innovative words are hard for me today. Fiber formula give even the teeniest lashes extreme volume, definition, and length without any annoying clumps or flakes. So here's the tube, and let's look at the applicator. Looks pretty good. Kind of feel like the bristles are a little bit long. What do you think? Can you see? Still got some toner I didn't rub in. I saw that in the viewfinder. Okay, I'm excited to have that. Now, I've been using Thrive, like religiously. I've been using Thrive all the time, and I'm excited to try a new one because I'm almost done with my Thrive, and I do have a backup. I always have a backup of Thrive, but I think I may try something else just for the meantime and see how it works. So good timing. I like getting new mascaras. All right, now I have an eyeliner, and I'm kind of excited for this one. So we get an eyeliner surprise, right? Every single box. I feel like I've said this before, but I feel like boxes like have to send you a black eyeliner every time. But you know, I'm not good at eyeliners. This one is a 2-in-1, so it's actually a liquid liner and it has a pencil. So let me explain it to you. So this is by Tarte. It's the Tartiste Double Take Eyeliner in black. It's valued at $24. It says, to be honest, we'd love just one Tarte liner, but 2? Yep, Team Ipsy is fully obsessed with this dual-ended gel and liquid eyeliner. Use the pencil tip along your waterline to define your eyes, or flip it to the liquid liner side to create crisp lines and feline-inspired flicks. Did I tell you it's valued at $24? So 12 bucks a side, right? So here's the liquid line side. And I like that it's so thin. I feel like my problem with liquid liners is that they're so thick usually, and then it's hard for me to work with it. So here's the, ooh, wow. Went on very smoothly. And let's try the pencil. Now, sometimes, like if it's a special occasion, I don't wear eyeliner a lot, but if it's a special occasion, I will, but it's always a pencil. So here's the pencil. And where was I going with that? I'm off today, huh? There's the pencil. So it's pretty similar. So I feel like pencils are easier for me to use, and I feel like it's easier for me to fix mistakes with pencils. Maybe that's where I was going with it. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one, and I like the consistency. I like that it went on very easily. It was easy to glide over my hand. So yeah. All right. So next, now I couldn't believe when I looked at the sheet. This is a lip balm, and I saw, can't remember, it's gonna come to me after I'm done filming. I saw somebody else get this lip balm. It's valued at $18. I couldn't believe it. $18 for a lip balm. Like, you can go to the store and buy a lip balm for cheap, right? But this must be really good, so I'm excited to try it. I like lip products. So it's the Girlactic Beauty Jello Gloss Balm. It's valued at $18. Forget everything you thought you knew about lip balm. This jelly balm is anything but basic. It's packed with avocado oil and vitamin E to give dry lips the nourishment and moisture they need. Plus, an ultra glossy look is gorge on everyone. I have lipstick on, but what do you think? Want to put it over it? See how it feels? I'm going to get red lipstick all over the gloss. Ooh. Ooh. That feels really nice. Oh, wow. Oh, that feels great on my lips. Ooh, it's very, it feels so moisturizing. And I have lipstick on, so I can only imagine how it would feel on like bare lip. Oh, okay, I take it back. Maybe it is worth $18. Okay, now we have the last product in my box. This is it. And then I have one more add-on to show you. This is by Levito. It's the 2-in-1 Purifying Facial Mask and Exfoliator. It's valued at $36. So it says, don't let dead skin cells dull your shine this spring. Add this 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser and mask to your routine and get ready to glow like crazy. It's packed with plant-based ingredients to increase cell turnover, nix clogged pores and breakouts, and smooth the line of fine lines too. So it looks like it's a 2-in-1. How does that work? Okay, so you can either use it as an exfoliator to do just that, exfoliate, or you can use it as a mask. So you would just leave it on for 15 minutes. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I have an exfoliator that I'm using. Which one am I using right now? I don't remember. Let's see the consistency of this. It's brown. It's not a pretty green like the other one. Oh, that feels nice. I know I don't have, I should probably wipe it off. Oh. Oh, I don't know if I like the scent. It's very earthy, but I'll deal with it because I love masks, and I've been doing so many masks. I'm doing a ton of masks. What about you guys? You're doing a lot of masks right now, and if you are, let me know what your favorite mask that you're doing is. I'm really gravitating towards sheet masks though, but I'm happy to have this as an exfoliator too. All right, now I have an add-on, and I picked this 111 Skin product. It's Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster, and I like the 111 Skin brand. Now, I didn't get to do research before I purchased this add-on because I always miss out on add-ons, and I just happened to be on at that time, and I thought, you know what, let me just grab it while I can. So I did. So here it is. Let's see how it feels. And I do like hyaluronic acid, so that's one of the reasons why. And I like the 111 Skin brand. It doesn't really have too much of a smell to it, so I can't wait to try that. So normally what I do, and I think that's what most people do, is I mix these with my moisturizer in the morning and at night. So I don't usually use this alone on my face. And then our bag. We always get a bag, and I like this one like a lot because it opens up so wide. Look at it. So it's easier to clean inside. So sometimes the other ones just don't zip down all the way, but this one does, and I like it. Look how cute the bag is. It's like a mint green. So cute. So I thought this was a really great Ipsy Plus. So everything did come in boxes, but like I said, I tossed the boxes and I just wiped everything down really quick. I know. Yep. But you just kind of have to just take precautions, and if it makes you feel better. Oh, and I forgot to show you. It's got this wooden, I'm all over the place today, huh? It's got this wooden like pull. I think that's so cute. So yeah, I took some precautions, and I thought it was a great Ipsy Plus box. I'm very happy it was worth the wait, right? So let me know if you get Ipsy, what did you get in your box? What'd you think of your box? I think it was a good balance. So we got basically, yeah, like half and half makeup, half skincare. I love that. I think that's a great balance. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside if you can, and I will see you in my next video.